here we are this morning. I believe it's August 20th, Mom and Dad's 65th anniversary, I believe. We're going to show PAR and Craigslist how to post an ad. So we simply start by logging on. Once you click on that, it automatically does it. So I have two windows open. We don't necessarily have to, but for this video, it will be the best. So we're going to market a listing that we already have, and we have that under market listings. We just click on that 54 just one time. And it's going to bring up many different listings. We have lots of different properties. On this one, since I know it goes from lowest price to highest priced, I know that the property we're going to market is higher than the 256 that we're currently at. So I'm just going to click right here, which takes us to the next page, which is the second of two. We're going to mark 5604 Cayley Road, which is the model home we're currently using out at Eventide Estates. So we'll simply go over here and click on, this is the MLS number. As you can see, it's got different categories, MLS, what it is, it's a residential property. Type is residential detached, which means a single family home. Where it's at, the county, either Escambia and Santa Rosa is primarily where we are. The price, the address, the unit is for like if it's a condo. The city is obviously where it's located. We're in the state of Florida, and then the different zip code for each one. The status is active, as you can see. For example, this one we have a commercial property. See in the category, commercial property. Listed for $875. That is pending. That means that it's about to be closed on. So that's a good thing. And as you can see, we got some Gulf Breeze properties also in here. So I'll scroll back simply right over to the Cayley Road 5604. Double click, and it opens up that window. So then what I'm going to do is go over to the side, and as you scroll slowly over to the edge, you'll see the double arrow. Then you left click and slide it over. So then what we can do, I've already opened up this window, but I'm going to show you how to open this one. Go over to File, and see the very top one is New Window.
Yeah.
And watch when I click on that, we get a new window.
Yeah.
So and I just did that, obviously, and I did the same thing. So now, as you can see on this one, see how it goes to the arrows there? But when I go over to this one, click, now it goes to the arrows. All right, so we got that.
got you.
So, here we are. So, we're going to click back over to that one, where I want to click on the pictures, because we're going to be needing those, but then we can just sort through and we'll pick a handful of different pictures. We want to for sure pick the 5 most attractive ones. Those are the most important. The first 5 are the most important ones, so for us to choose from. So I'm going to close this down and go back over to Craigslist. All right, so we're going to go to my account. We're going to create a posting.
Got it.
Simply click there. So what are we doing?
Housing offer.
Housing offer? Normally, yes, it is. So you don't even have to click the continue. And then we're real estate by broker. Technically, I'm an agent, but it's by broker because all listings are under Keith.
Okay, yeah.
So click there. And this is just, hey, follow all the rules.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's no links and things like that you can add on to it. Now, you can guide people to different things, but you just can't put ABC website or whatever it is. So, what we want to come up with, always in the posting of the title, we want to come up with just something catchy, something bold, something crazy, whatever. We want to draw attention to it, whatever it is. So I think on this one, I usually do all capital letters. See how I did that? King of the block.
Yeah.
All right. And then I'm going to make this bigger just so we can see a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'll type in, this is in Eventide Estates. and the area code is 32583 on this particular property. Then, as far as the description, we want to highlight the bigger things. So I usually put 2 or 3 lines of bold
Yeah.
things. So I'm going to start with, let's see.
Probably square footage or bed and bath.
Yeah, yes, 4 bedroom, 3 bath. Three, and then I'm going to put full bath. Then I'm going to put earth sense.
I feel like you should explain that. Remember how we...
Right. Yeah, that's a great I'll put equals high efficiency.
What I would do is lower in the caption and you put things like more about earth sense.
I think it actually does in this description that I'm going to copy and paste over here.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's see, we're at 1,940 square foot on that. So what I like to do is go over 1,900 square feet. You see, instead of just the number. Then I'll put contact, a call.
Space. It's about time for me to get ready, Dad.
Oh, honey, we're gonna do this. And then we always have to put the broker in there.
Yeah. Dad,
Hit pause.